Charisse, I'm not sure if I would have chosen that song for Casey, but I think I know what you're trying to show us.
Gusto ko medyo soft, Casey. It's just very relaxing.
Sa ganitong competition, hindi pwede yung okay lang. Dapat yung performance mo kailangan mag-stand out.
Pasok ka pa rin, Casey!
Simula po akong kumanta nung 3 years old ako. 10 years old ako nung sumali ako ng national singing competition. Sinuwerte po ako. Tila nung nag-college ako, meron akong mga na-meet na mga friends, so naging banda.
Binigay ko yung song for Casey. Ang dali niya bigyan ng kanta. Kahit anong kanta, kaya niya ibahin yung style, the Casey style.
Excited na excited po ako nung nalaman ko yung kanta. I was expecting it to be like parang ballad na version.
Whether they like it or not, I think itong kanta na to maganda at bagay para kay Casey.
Nagtitiwala pa rin ako sa mentor ko. Kaya, go lang ano. Gagawin ko po lahat ng makakaya ko. Kahit ano man nung kalabasan, supportahan niyo pa rin po ako.
For once in my life, I've got someone who needs me, someone I've known so long. For once, unafraid, I can go where life leads me. Somehow I know I'll be strong. For once in my life, I won't let sorrow hurt me, not like it's hurt me before. For once I have something I know won't desert me. I'm not alone anymore. For once I can say, this is mine, you can take it. As long as I know I've got love and I can make it. For once in my life, I've got someone who needs me. If you ever need somebody, put your hands up. If you ever need somebody, put your hands up. If you feel like you're alone, just put hands up. Oh, 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 oh. You don't need to be sad. You should always be happy. Because being happy doesn't mean you're bad. Oh, for once I can say, this is mine, you can take it. As long as I know I've got love, I can make it. For once in my life, I've got someone who needs me.
How many people love KZ? Come on! KZ, you're driving me crazy. Ito lang sasabihin ko sa'yo. You can sing any song from K to Z.
Casey, I know that last week she was a little upset with me kasi. Kasi sinabi ko, I saw her kasi di ba, she was already crying. Oo. Because I was telling her na, yung kinanta mo last week, parang hindi was the wrong choice of song. So now, I'm asking your forgiveness. Asking your forgiveness, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry also, Miss Charisse. I'm sorry because you're so great.
Alam ko, pag tinanong ang mga taong nanonood kung bakit sila nanonood ng X Factor, ang sasabihin nila, ikaw, KZ. Pero KZ, nais ko lang sabihin sa'yo na parang ang sarap sabihin na, hello, KZ, ito yung nakita ko first time. Yung talagang, yung tama sa akin ay parang, wow! Iba, tunay talaga. KZ, you've taken it to another level and you did a good job in doing it.
You know, ang sarap ng feeling ng maging mentor niyong dalawa ni Allen. Kahit na nung nandito pa si Jerian, I have to be honest.
Love you,
Jerian? Asan ka, Jerian? Ay, andiyan ka pala. sobrang ang sarap ng feeling na maging mentor nyo. Proud ako sa'yo. You did great. You did so great. I mean it. Great. Sobra.
Maraming salamat, judges. KZ! You are driving everyone crazy! KZ, last week pinanta ni Miss Pilita ang iyong kanta. Ba't ka nanginginig? Ayan. Ngayon naman, bilib na siya sa'yo. Kung kayo naman, mga kapamilya, ay napabilib rin kay KZ, you can text XL space KZ. Voting lines will